how you doing, guys? It's young Carlos from Kickclusive. Today we're in our store in Garden State Mall in Paramus, New Jersey. If you guys follow us on Instagram, which is Kickclusive, you already know we opened back in July, and we got a lot of love, a lot of support. We appreciate it. Before we get to the video in hand, take a good look around, see if you like any goodies. Guys, so as you can see from the title, we got the video $35,000 first human race collection. So we're gonna start an order from my favorite to least favorite. I want you guys to comment down below what your order will be. Hey, let's give a start with the burgundy human races. So these are friends and family human race, very exclusive. These gotta be my first one, and because of the color, you know, I love burgundy. They're hard to get. The price range of these could start anywhere from $8,500 to $12,000 depending on the size. Here's a quick look of the box. So I asked a couple people, you know, what does it say? So today I got a friend of mine, his name is Alex, and he's here to tell us what does it say. Just talk.
So these two Chinese letters means family, and these two Chinese letters means friends.
So you got on the right shoe, it means family, and the left shoe, it means friends. How cool is that? Friend and family shoe with friends and family on it. So next on my list is the red human race. These are a classic, a must cop. The color is so nice and bright. When you put these on, you are the man. Of course, I doubled up on these. Not much to be said. You got the hue and the race, you know. So let's go on to number 3. The third one is another friends and family. These are the shock pink. To my knowledge, I believe these were harder to get than the burgundy ones actually. And this one, we're gonna go back to Alex to let us know what these say.
So these two Chinese letters, they together means human.
So which one is hue and which one is men?
They together means human. If you separate, they means nothing.
So together they mean human. I don't know which is which, but these are another very exclusive. These actually I've seen go for 10 to 15,000 depending where you go. So now we go to the fourth one on my chart. Original human race that started it all. You know, when these first released, they were just going for about $500. Over time, they came more limited and sought after. That price just skyrocketed. Right now, you could probably find these from $2,500 to $3,000. Like, you know, with all human races, the bigger the sizes, the more expensive they are. So let's get to the fifth one. Can't go wrong with a fresh pair of black kicks. So that's why I picked number 5, the black human races. I like how they throw the yellow laces to give the color contrast. You know, you could mix and match laces depending how your outfit is. Every human race got with a second pair of laces. So number 6, gotta be the green ones. I picked the green because green is one of my favorite colors, and on these they're a little different than all the other ones. You got the 2 stitching is not the same as the lettering running up on the shoe. You got the same symbol on both, and they're like almost like an elemental feel on the shoe. And then number 7, the orange human races. There is a nice soft orange, perfect for the summer. It's almost like a tangerine color. And then number 8, last but not least, are the blue human races. I picked these last because, you know, out of all of them, I feel like blue is the hardest color to match. But hey, you gotta have them all, don't you? Now you know this is my countdown from my favorite to my least favorite of the first version of the human race. Make sure to subscribe, and up next, Unfilled Review. Enjoy.